Hello and welcome back to Android Tutorials. In this video, I am going to explain you how to add a on-click listener on Recycler View items. Yes, it is very hard to implement a on-click listener in our Recycler View, a particular view. So it is hard. So to implement it, I am going to make it simple. So before that, you are going to subscribe to our channel and like and share this Android tutorial. Okay, after that, I am going to move to our recycler adapter. In this complete video, we are going to work only with recycler adapter and our main activity. First, we are going to create a interface. So here you can see that our interface look like this. It is just a public interface with click interface and it contains a void method with int position. So here we declare a position and I would like you to give a disclaimer that please follow this tutorial completely to add on click listener. Don't bother about all this implementation. Just do as I had said you. After you click add a public interface, interface, you have to move to top of your recycler adapter. Here first add click interface as that interface we have created downside. Then add this click interface to our constructor. So here you can see that constructor contain click interface and then add this click interface is equal to click interface. After you do that, you will successfully add the click interface into your constructor. Then move slowly down and in our recycler view holder you will find recycler view holder constructor. So here you have to add click interface, again click interface. Then we have to add the click listener in our item view. So complete card view. If you want to add the click listener only in image view, then you can select image view dot set on click listener. If you want to add it in any of these tags, then you can do so. So here I am going to add for item view. So complete that card view. Then I am going to add click interface from here and dot on item click. Then we are going to get adapter position so that our value of position will be adapter position. Now we had completed with recycler adapter. Move to main activity and implement recycler adapter dot click interface. So when you add this, you will get a huge error to implement the method that we had created in previous adapter. So you here we have to implement on item click method which contain int as a position. Now here we have to get the position of our array list and then send it to toast message or intent wherever you want. Here let us say toast.make text, then pass the context this. Then here is the main part. So here I am getting the recycler models array list. So in our previous series you will find that our adapter is here, but you have to make it global. So here I made it global. Then you have to get position and get text 1, then make toast message of short and then show that toast. So by this when you run your application you will find the click listener means when you click on any of item you will get first text. Now let me tell you how you are going to add or move to detail activity. So when you create a detail activity, you will have some interface, means a user interface where you will have some image, item, buttons. So you have to get this all data to the another screen. So for that we are going to use intent is equal to new intent, get application context, and here you have to give your detail activity class. Here I am just giving main activity because this is for demonstration purpose only. Here we have to put extra of all the strings. So here you can see that we have created a key, and now here you can see that recycler models dot get position and m image, m text 1, text 2. So by this way you will write intent and start activity intent. So start activity of intent. Then in your second activity, so here I am writing second activity. You have to get all this data. So you can write either intent is equal to get intent, and after you have to write intent 1 dot get string extra, and then pass your items. So here you can see that I had passed my item, and now you can see that I am adding another same strings. So this you have to do in second activity on create method. Then you can set this data. So here this will be in the string format. So I am writing string, and then we are going to write string. Okay, so it was some error, string s1. Now we are going to set the text. So if you have text view in that activity, then you can use text view dot set text. So by the set text method you will able to add this intents. So thanks for watching this Android tutorial, and if you really enjoyed this Android tutorial, then please make sure you like and share this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Android tutorials that support us with some motivation so that we can make some new videos for you. Thanks for watching Android tutorials.